steps to customize business settings and workflow. Step 1. Establish company information. Navigate to Settings, then select Company Settings. Input your company's details including name, email, phone number, and website. Once completed, click on the Save button. Step 2. Input business address. Head to Settings and choose Business Address. To add a new address, select Add New Address and fill in the required fields such as country, location, tax details, and address. Afterward, hit the Save button. Multiple addresses can also be added according to your preferences. Step 3. Adjust app settings. Access Settings and click on App Settings. Customize settings like date time format, default time zone, currency, and language. Once done, save your changes. By selecting Client Sign Up setting, you can allow your client to sign up. Save your changes. Step 4. Manage profile status. Go to Settings, then select Profile Settings. Upload your profile photo and enter personal details like name, email, and password. Choose your email notification preferences and sync options with Google Calendar. Fill in additional information such as country, mobile number, gender, date of birth, marital status, and address. Then click Save. Step 5. Manage notification preferences. Notifications are messages or alerts sent through different channels to keep users informed about important events or updates. Here, you can manage your notification preferences. Choose your preferred notification types, email, Slack, or push notifications, by selecting the corresponding checkboxes. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Step 6. Manage currency settings. By accessing currency settings, you have the ability to include any additional currency types according to your preferences. Step 7. Manage payment credentials. Next, you can effortlessly input your payment information by selecting payment credentials and picking your preferred method, such as PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, or Paystack. Then, simply click on the Save button to confirm. If you click on More options, you'll find additional payment methods. Lastly, there's an option for offline payments. Step 8. Manage finance settings. Finance settings in Workflow refer to configuring financial preferences such as currency, tax settings, or payment gateways. To make changes, navigate to Finance settings and adjust preferences accordingly. Step 9. Manage contract settings. You have the option to update your contract information by going to Contract Settings, where you can customize your details according to your preferences. After making changes, remember to click the Save button. Step 10. Manage tax settings. Additionally, if needed, you can adjust your tax name by accessing Tax Settings. Step 11. To configure ticket settings. In customer support or help desk systems, tickets represent individual inquiries, problems, or requests from users or customers. Each ticket is treated as a distinct unit that needs attention and a response from the support team. Adding a new ticket agent, select Add New Agent, choose the agent, assign them to a group, and click Save. Adding a new ticket group. A ticket group is a classification system used to organize and manage different types of inquiries or requests within a business. For example, a ticket group might include both sales-related inquiries and customer service requests. Adding a new ticket type. A ticket type refers to the categorization of issues or requests in a support system, such as bug, feature request, or question. Adding a new ticket channel. A ticket channel is a communication platform used for managing and resolving customer inquiries or issues, such as a customer support email address or a help desk software system. Step 12. To set project settings. A project refers to a temporary and structured endeavor with a defined objective, comprising tasks, resources, and time limitations, intended to generate a distinct outcome or deliverable. To configure project status, navigate to Project Status Settings and select Add Status. Input the name of your project status and assign a color for distinction according to your preferences. Finally, click Save to configure project. Adding a new project category. A project category is a classification system used to group projects based on their shared characteristics or objectives. For an example, marketing or development. Step 13. Configure attendance settings. Attendance is simply being present or taking part in an event, meeting, or class at a specific time and location. Navigate to attendance settings, then check the appropriate boxes based on your employee's attendance status. Once done, click the Save button. To create employee shifts, navigate to Employee Shifts and click on Add New Shift. Enter the shift name, short code, start and end times, and choose a color code. Below, include extra details such as marking half-day timings, defining late marks, specifying check-in times, and selecting the days when the office is operational. Then, click Save. Step 14. To configure leave settings. Leave typically refers to an approved absence from work or duty, granting individuals a period of time away from their regular responsibilities. To add a new leave type, navigate to Leave Type Settings and select Add New Leave Type. Fill in the details such as leave type, paid status, number of leaves, and monthly limit. Under Entitlement, specify when the leave becomes effective after joining and the handling of unused leaves. In Applicability, define criteria such as gender, marital status, department, designation, and user role. Click Save. Under Leaves General Settings, choose whether to count leaves from the date of joining or the start of the year. Step 15. Manage Custom Field. A custom field is a personalized data entry field created by users to capture specific information relevant to their needs within a database or software system. For example, let's create a new custom field for employees. Click Add Field, enter Employee as the field module, phone number 2 as the field title, select Number as the field type, then click Save. Now check where this field appears in our employee information. Go to the left side of the dashboard, click HR, select Employee, click Add Employee, scroll down the page, and you'll see the phone number 2 option on the field. Step 16. To configure roles and permission settings. Roles and permissions entail assigning specific duties and corresponding access rights within a system or organization. To manage roles, access the Roles and Permissions section and click on Manage Roles. Enter the role name and then save your changes by clicking the Save button. To grant permissions, select the individuals for whom you wish to grant permissions, e.g., app administrator, employee, client, manager, HR, and then choose their permissions accordingly. You can customize permissions based on their roles, ensuring they have the necessary access for their tasks. Step 17. To manage message settings. Afterwards, head to Message Settings. By checking this box, you enable communication between clients and employees or clients and admins. Once done, click the Save button to confirm. Step 18. To configure lead settings. Leads are potential customers or individuals who have shown interest in a product, service, or opportunity. They're often identified through inquiries or expressed interest and are considered potential prospects for further conversion. Adding a new lead source. A lead source refers to the origin or channel through which a potential customer becomes aware of a product or service, such as through a website, social media ad, or referral. Adding a new lead status. Lead status represents the stage of a potential customer's journey through the sales process, such as pending or done. Adding a new lead category. A lead category is a classification system used to categorize potential customers based on characteristics such as, for example, hot leads, indicating highly interested prospects ready for immediate follow-up. Step 19. To adjust time log preferences. Access the time log settings. Here, you'll find 4 options such as stop timer automatically after office time. Time log will require approval. Send time tracker reminders. Send daily time log report. Once you've made your selections, remember to click the Save button. Step 20. To adjust task settings. Navigate to the task settings page. Here, you can check the reminder status and input details according to your preferences. Scroll down to find the section that determines what information is visible to the client. Once you've made your selection, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Step 21. To adjust security settings, visit the Security section. Here, you'll find options for enhancing security, like setting up 2-factor authentication using either email or Google Authenticator. Simply enable the options that suit your preferences. Step 22. To adjust theme settings, navigate to the Theme Settings section. Here you'll find options to customize your homepage appearance, including elements like the name and logos. Scroll down the page to access settings for Public Pages theme, Admin Panel theme, Employee Panel theme, and Client Panel theme. After making your desired changes, remember to click the Save button to apply the updates. Step 23. To modify module settings, by accessing module settings, you can change permissions for admins, clients, and employees. Step 24. To create a new custom link. A custom link is a personalized hyperlink created to direct users to specific content or resources tailored to their needs or preferences. For instance, let's create a new custom link. Click on Add New Custom Link, enter a title, like your company website, paste the URL, choose who can view it, employees, clients, managers, set it as active, and save. You'll see the link on the left side of your dashboard. Just scroll down to find it.